I'm about to put my best foot forward. But which one is it? And how can I tell? Well, apparently, the answer goes back to the days when this was the important weapon, the sword or even the dagger. Because then, as today, most people were right-handed. And so if you went up to somebody and did this, it said, look, I've got no weapon in my hand, no sword or dagger, no cudgel, I'm friendly. And that's probably the origin of shaking hands and possibly even the salute. But if you did have to fight and you did it with your sword, you hacked away, probably with your right hand, and you used your left foot to kick out at them. You used everything you had. And so the left foot became known as the hostile foot. If you went to pay a call on them and you set foot in their house left foot first, it was hostile. It said, I'm out to get you. I'm belligerent. That's an insult. You didn't. You put your best foot forward, and that was the right one. In fact, in those days, quite a lot seems to have revolved around the sword. For example, if you're building a castle and you had to construct a stone staircase, the chances are that you would do it like that. And if you were ever attacked and you had to retreat up your staircase, you could do it like this. You'd go backwards, hacking away at your attacker, but you could use your right hand to do it as you went round the central stone column. If you were the attacker, you didn't have it nearly so easily because you had to put your sword in your left hand, take the column in your right hand, and work left-handed as you went up. That wasn't so good, and you might lose in the attack. And it was recognised that attacks could come very easily from the left-hand side. The devil controlled that side, it was said, and people who wanted to get at you would come from the left. Even the Latin word for left is sinister, and today that means something evil or wicked in English. And for hundreds of years, people who are naturally left-handed were thought to be somehow evilly controlled, and they were forced to be right-handers. Fortunately, these days, we know that's a lot of rubbish, and it doesn't happen anymore. But even today, words like sinister and putting your best foot forward remind us of a time when that was a very important thing to consider.